In this video, we'll be constructing a perpendicular line through a point on another line. So here we have line segment AB, and we're going to construct a line that's perpendicular to AB, but that also passes through point P. So to get started, take your compass and put it on point P. You want to adjust your compass to a medium width. Medium width just means a width that's not too big or not too small. I know it's kind of vague, but you get a better sense of it as you do the constructions. And so this is pretty much a good width for us. And the goal here is basically just to get two intersection points. So when I draw my arc, it's a little bit bigger than a semicircle. When I draw my arc, I get two intersection points on AB, there and there. I could call them C and D. That way I have like a reference for them. Okay, those are my 2 points. Now that I have C and D, it's pretty straightforward from here. I'm going to do a perpendicular bisector. Before I get to that, I just want to mention that I got 2 intersection points on AB. Sometimes if you make your compass width too big, you'll only get 1 intersection point. So if that happens, there's a couple of things you can do. You can either start over and change the width, or you can extend line AB. You're always allowed to extend lines. So those are a couple of your options. All right, but now I'm going to jump into making the perpendicular bisector of CD. So here's C and there's D. I'm going to put the point on D. And remember, for a perpendicular bisector, it has to be more than halfway. So more than halfway to C, I'm going to draw an arc. All right, and then I'll do the same thing from C without changing the width. Put the point on C, and I'll draw another arc, making sure I get 2 intersection points. So those are the intersections of my arcs. Now I need to draw the perpendicular bisector, so I'll grab my straight edge and I'll draw a line through the intersection points that'll also go through P. I'm a little bit off here, and that's just human error. Sometimes that happens. You can see, but there you go. There's my perpendicular line. Okay, it's perpendicular to AB and also passes through point P, which is what I wanted.